Morning, y'all. I got some new gadgets and stuff that I'm playing with, and I want to do a little video. Didn't really have anything to do a video on, so I'm gonna show y'all some of the pieces that I picked up for my metal pouring stuff. I'm gonna make molds out of them and pour them in aluminum, copper, bronze, brass, silver, or gold. Anyway, I picked up 21 pieces so far this trip. 21 or 22, but anyway, I'm gonna show them to y'all, and y'all leave me a comment on this video as to which ones y'all think I should do first. First of all, and probably one of my favorites, is this little grenade. What it is a flashlight and a laser pointer. See? A flashlight. And there's a laser pointer. I got big hands, but anyway, I like the little grenade. It's going to be pretty cool. I got a little horse head here. It's pretty small, but I'm going to be doing sand casting and stuff, so that's what I'm picking these molds up, these things are for. A lot of them are keychains, some of them are different pieces, but there's a little boot. My wife likes the Western stuff, well I do too, so anyway, the stuff I'm picking up. Some of these are going to be altered and modified and stuff. There's a beaver, get you a little bit of tail. And here's a baby beaver. Remember, 16 will get you 20. Let's see what else we got. Look at here. It's a scorpion. I'm gonna try doing this one in a 4 metal pour. 4 different metals. I'm gonna do the tail. See the tail moves. I'm gonna do the tail, one kind of metal. The feet, another kind of metal. My camera blinked out on me. I'm gonna do the claws in a different metal and the body in a different metal. That's gonna be a pretty cool pour when I get done. Got a sea turtle. The legs and stuff move on it. That's gonna make a pretty pour too. We got a bear claw. Whoop. We got a bear print. Yeah, it says Oregon on it, but that ain't gonna show up in the pour. That'll be pretty neat. I like buffalo, or bison as Redneck Stacker calls them. Buffalo to me. Anyway, there's one buffalo. Seeing where it says Wyoming, that part's going away. Here's another buffalo. I guess that's a cow with a baby buffalo. But the Grand Teton, that'll go away also. I'm gonna grind that out smooth, that way I can stamp in stuff with my metal stamps and personalize them. Let's see here. Trying not to show y'all the stash all at once. There's another boot. It's going to be interesting to see how these pour out in the metal. There's a moose, little cartoon character moose. Just two sides. That'll be a 3D pour for sure. Y'all heard of camel toe? That's a moose toe. What else we got here? Got a lucky horseshoe. Everybody needs a little luck. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning and I was bored, so sticking with the animal theme. Got an antelope. And of course the Wyoming will go away. .357 bullet. 357 Magnum. Just a bullet. I'm working on getting some more of these. I want to get a Navy, a Marines, Coast Guard. I just gotta find them. I'll eventually find them. Like I said, sorry about the light, y'all. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm in Yakima, Washington, for the paranormal and Bigfoot folks. There's Sasquatch. That's going to turn out, that's going to be a pretty neat little coin. Y'all check this monster out. Check out the facial features in it. And of course, there's the back of it. I don't know if it's male or female, but if it's female, somebody buy her some razors, please. Alright, and of course all of y'all know that I'm from Texas, so I like that one. That was pretty cool. I may take the Texas out of it and put Twisted in there, but I don't know, I kind of like it with the Texas on it. Here's another one. This is the last one. Anyway, that's all I got so far. But the trip's not over with. I'm gonna pick up some military Humvees at military base up the road up here and load them and take them to North Carolina. Show y'all the truck stop there. Trying to get 10 minutes out of this video. Anyway, I know my videos and live streams and stuff have been far and few between, but I kind of took a little break life's gotten in the way, and anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all leave me a comment, tell me which ones y'all like the best. I'm eventually gonna pour all of them, but y'all tell me which ones y'all like the best, and be interesting for me to find out y'all's opinion. I have my opinion, but I'd like to know what y'all's is. Y'all have a good one. Take care of yourself. Be kind to each other, and just bring it.